Hello everyone, this is Bertina Amy here and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos. And otherwise, welcome back to my channel. I hope you find these videos useful. So with Christmas Eve being tomorrow, I had this one last minute gift I still had to DIY. So I decided to do a DIY personalized appreciation mug. This specific mug was originally purchased at IKEA some time ago, and I'm not sure that they still have it, but either way, this one doesn't have any gloss finish on it, so it makes it perfect for a DIY project. And for this, I'm keeping it simple, and I'm just going to put words of appreciation, basically. I decided to completely handwrite this, and I used this brand called Craftsmart of metallic paint markers to write out my words, and I decided to try to alternate or at least change up the different fonts even in my own handwriting, and also change up the color of the paints as well. What I like about this project is that it takes next to no dry time at all, other than the sealant probably takes a little bit, but there's still enough time to DIY this project and give it as a gift to someone you care about. And for this specific project, I'm also going to be sealing it with the dishwasher safe Mod Podge. You can certainly keep it simple and just do one part of the mug. I decided to do both sides to give you an idea of how you can do a general one for appreciation or a more personalized one. I felt that this mug needed some sort of a design to make it a little bit more special, and I decided to add a heart using my Ohuhu alcoholic markers. Finally, don't forget to seal it with this dishwasher safe Mod Podge, and be careful how much you apply so that your ink doesn't drip like mine did. I went ahead and tried to clean up any of the dripping ink as best as I could. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.